In today's math class, we are going to solve for x in this logarithm equation. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel for more simplified videos. Now, if we want to solve this, we are going to make good use of a law of logarithm, and that is the product law of logarithm. We apply the product law of logarithm. We'll also apply a law of logarithm we call the reverse power law. From the product law, if we have a value log of, if we have log of m base p adding log of n base b, as long as they have one common base, this will give us the log of m multiplied by n, and both of them will have a common base b. Now, according to the law of the reciprocal law of logarithm, if you have log of m base x equal to a b, then m can be equal to m can be equal to x to the power of b. That's the law we call the reverse law of indices. Now let's look at how we of logarithm. Let's look at how we are going to apply these two laws in solving this question. Now remember, according to the product law of logarithm, that value of logarithm will now give us the log of 3 to the power of x multiplied by x minus 8, and this will be equal to 2, right? So if we simplify that, we are going to have this to become log of 3 to the power of x multiplied by x minus 8, and this will be equal to 2. So if we apply the law of reverse law of logarithm, we're going to have x multiplied by x minus 8 to be equal to 3 to the power of 2. So if we simplify that, we are going to have this to become x squared minus 8x equal to 9, and this will give us x squared minus 8x minus 9 if we subtract 9 from both sides, and that will be equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So we can now look at two values we can multiply to solve that quadratic equation that will give us negative 9, and when we add such two values, we are going to have a negative 8. What are those two values? We'll have minus 9 and plus what? 1. Minus 9 plus times plus 1 will give us minus 9, and minus 9 plus 1 will give us minus 8. So our values will be x minus 9, right? And what? X plus 1. These both will be equal to 0. So from here, our x minus 9 will be equal to 0, or we'll have x plus 1 to be equal to 0. So if we simplify both sides from here, if we add both 9 to both sides, we're going to have this plus 9 to be equal to 0 plus 9, and then this clears this. X will be equal to 9. And this other way, we are going to have x, if we subtract 1 from both sides, minus 1, that will be equal to 0 minus 1. Minus 1 will clear plus 1, and then our x will be equal to negative 1. So we will not have a negative as a solution to that question. because that's the negative solution, but the right solution is x equal to 9, and that is the only solution we have to that logarithm equation up there. Now I want you to check by inserting the value of log or x equal to 9 into this, and then you find out if you get the value of 2. If we put our x equal to 9, let's check to see if our solution is right. We have our x equal to 9, we'll insert it into that equation. If we insert it into that equation, we're going to arrive at a solution. Remember, the question we are given initially is we are asked to find log of x base 3. We are asked to add it to log of x minus 8 base 3, and our solution must be equal to 2. So let's solve this. Will our solution give us 2? Let's look at this. This will give us log of 9 base 3 plus log of 9 minus 8 base 3. So this will give us log of 3 to the power of 3 square, right, plus log of 1 base what? Base 3. Now if we simplify this, you're going to see that this will give us 2 log of so the only right solution to that equation up there is our x will be equal to x is equal to 9. So I want you to do one thing. Insert our value of x equal to 9 into that equation, logarithm equation up there, and then you find out that your answer or your value, your result will finally be 2, which is still the same result you have in the right hand side. I know you do enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share this video with friends and colleagues. Remember to also subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.